Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this exponential problem using two different solutions. Okay, we already have a video here on the channel with a different solution, but this time we're going to be solving using another different solutions. Okay, so to start we have to say that our denominator x plus 1 has to be different from 0, which means that x has to be different from -1. So to start solving this, guys, I'm going to multiply both sides. First method, right? I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Okay, so I'm going to have 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 over x plus 1 times 3 plus 3 to the 5x minus 1 over x plus 1 times 3, and then this is equal 3 times 30 is 90, right? So same basis, different powers. We have 1 here and 1 here, so we add up the powers. So this is 3 to the 2x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 to the 5x minus 1 over x plus 1 and then plus 1, and then this is equal 90. Okay, from here, let's solve this. We have then 3 to the 2x minus 1 plus x plus 1, common denominator, x plus 1 here, and then plus 3 to the 5x minus 1, common denominator, plus x plus 1, all divided by x plus 1, and then this is equal 90. Okay, so from here this one will go with this one, 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, and then plus 3, which let's see, this one here we have then this one go with this one, we have 6x divided by x plus 1, and I'm going to say minus 90. This is equal 0. Okay, the second method will, let me just say this, guys. Okay, let me write this because I'm going to start the second method from here. Okay, so this is, let's say this is 90. Okay, our way to start the second method will begin here. Okay, so now let's keep out our first method. Then you see that this is pretty interesting because I can write this one here as 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 times 2, right? And then plus this one here, which is 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, and then minus 90 here, and then this is 0. So from here what I have is that this is 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 square, right? How can I write this, guys? 90 here is 9 is negative 10, right? Minus 10 times 9 is 90. Plus 10 times minus 9 is negative 90 because this is positive. So I'm going to say that this is plus 10 times 3 to the 3x over x plus 1. All of this because I just don't want to make a substitution, right? Okay, so x plus 1 here, and then minus what? 9 times 10, this is equal 0. Okay, so from here we have then that this is 3. We're going to factor out 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, which will multiply 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, and then plus 10 here, close brackets, minus 9, which multiply 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 here, and then plus 10. This is 0. So now we have something in common here, which is this one here and this one here. Factor out this one here. We have then x plus 1 here plus 10 here, and then which multiplies 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 minus 9, and then this is 0. Cool. So from here we have that this is 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 plus 10. This will never be equal 0, okay? Let's say equal 0 first, okay? And then we're going to discuss it. X plus 1 minus 9 equals 0. So what we have from here, guys, is that 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 is always greater than 0, and 10 is a positive number. So this is always greater than 0 if we solve in real solutions, right? But in case we want to consider other solution is imaginary solution, we're going to say negative 10, right? So this is going to be lead us to imaginary solution because but this is not the way we want to go. So we're going to reject it and solve only for the real solutions here. And then from here we're going to have then that 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 then is equal to 9, which is 3 to the power of 2. And then here we're going to have that this is 3, right, to the 3x over x. Sorry, I'm just repeating this. I don't have 2, and well, so this is then this goes with this, right? This one goes with this same basis. We have then 3x over x plus 1 equals 2, and then from here we have that 3x is equal to x plus 1, so x is equals, so sorry, 2 here, right? And then this one comes here, we're going to have x, and 2 here, so x is equal to. Okay, cool. Now let's start solving our second method. Okay, by the second method we say we will start here, right? Okay, cool. So the second method, then we have 3 to the 3x, right, to the 3x over x plus 1 plus 3 to the 6x to the x plus 1, and then this is equal to 90, right? This is what we said. So okay, cool. This one here, as we did before, I'm going to write this as 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, and then plus this one I'm going to write as 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, right? This we did it before. And then 90, right? 90, let's say 90 is equal to what? To 30, right? Times 3. And what is 30? Is 3 times 27 times 3. And then this is what? 3 plus 3 to the 3. And then this is times 3. So this is 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 4. So this is what I'm going to bring this side. So I'm going to say this is minus 3 squared minus 3 to the 4, and then this is 0. So if I have this, guys, I just have to write this one here. 3 to the x plus 1 minus 3 squared, okay, plus 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 here square, minus 3 to the 4, which is 3 squared to the power of 2, and then this is 0. And then this is a difference of squares, so we have then 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 minus 3 squared. I'm going to let it the way it is. So this is 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, and then, okay, square square, first one minus 3 to the 2, and then this will multiply 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, and then plus 3 square. Okay, this is equals, sorry, okay, this is equal 0. So now this one and this one are the same. We can factor out. So we're going to have 3 to the 3x over x plus 1, right, minus 3 square. This will multiply 1 plus this one here, 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 plus 9, and then this is 0. Okay, so from here we have that this is 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 minus 3 squared equals 0, and 1 here we're going to have not 1, but we're going to have 3 to the 3x over x plus 1 plus 10 equals 0. We already made this discussion before, because this is the same thing. You see that these two are the same ones we got here. You can let me just get back here. The same ones we got here. Just the same product, the same product. So what we're gonna say is, I'm not gonna waste I'm not gonna spend more time in here. So we're gonna have that from here. We're gonna have x to the 3x over x plus 1 equals 3 squared, and from here we have that x is equal to 2, because we already did this, and we say that this is always going to be greater than 0. But if you want to consider imaginary solution, then we will need to solve 3x over x plus 1 equals negative 10, and this is not what we want to solve. So the answer is 2. And if you want to check our solution, we can go towards it. So this is 2 to the 2x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 3 to the 5x minus 1 over x plus 1, and this is equal to 30. Let's work on the first power here. This is 2 times 2, which is x minus 1 over x plus 1, which is 3 here. So then we have here 3 divided by 3, which is 1. The second power here is 5 times 2 minus 1 over 3. This is 10 minus 1, 9 over 3, which is 3. So now we have 3 to the 1 plus 3 square equals, sorry, 3 to the 3 here, because this is 3. And then this means that we have 3 plus 27 equals 30, and actually 30 is equal to 30. So thanks for watching the video. Tell me what method you like the most, and please drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. This is Geendle. Bye bye.